Heel. Bodhi did start to bark at that dog, and I did use the nick on him, and then he seemed to be the perfect, but when you first saw it when we were across the street, anyway, I love the store. They've got the cutest clothes in here. I actually have a dress very similar to that. Anyway, Chuck is coming to town next Tuesday. I gotta go see Chuck. I might wear a dress to that, who knows? I don't think that's the right dress, though. I'm pretty sure the dress is punk rock. Even though Chuck is not really as much punk rock as he used to be. Chuck is evolving. Chuck is very, very popular. Even Dave mentions Chuck. You see how I turn everything back around to Dave? Even Dave, because Chuck is Dave's name, even Dave mentioned Chuck in the video. It all ties in together. Anyway, my Dave video is getting more views than ever, and Jason's still like, who's Dave? Alright, so what I'm going to do, if we had like a little, no, Bodhi, good, down, a little place. I don't want to just use that mat though, that woman's already like, what are these people hanging around out there? Alright, I'm just going to go up and back one time. Bodhi. flag is adorable. That's why I want to christen it. How cute is that? Alright, Jason, we'll be back in a minute with a place video.